Pilita Corrales, hailed as Asia's Queen of Songs, has passed away at the age of 85. The heartbreaking news was shared by her granddaughter, actress Janine Gutierrez, in a social media post on Saturday, April 12, 2025. It is with a heavy heart that we announce the passing of our beloved Mami and Mamita, Pilita Corrales. Pilita touched the lives of many, not only with her songs but also with her kindness and generosity. She will be remembered for her contributions to the entertainment industry, but most of all for her love of life and family. Please join us with your prayers and kind thoughts as we celebrate her beautiful life. Further details regarding memorial services will be shared soon. She is survived by her children, actress Jackie Lu Blanco, from her marriage to Spanish businessman Gonzalo Blanco, and actor Ramon Christopher Gutierrez, from her relationship with Filipino actor Eddie Gutierrez.